Welcome to ARTSOPOLIS, a community engagement platform for arts, culture, entertainment, and recreation. Today I'm going to walk you through placing a classifieds listing on your local ARTSOPOLIS-built website. With so many network communities to choose from, let's go ahead and check out Tallahassee Arts for today's demonstration. You'll need to register before you begin your submission if you haven't done so already. This allows you to return to your listing to make corrections or changes at any time. If you'd like to learn more about registering for an account, search for our video, ARTSOPOLIS Registering for an Account, or ask your site's administrator for help. Okay, now let's go over submitting your classifieds listing. Click the Login button in the top right-hand corner of your screen and sign in with your registered account. This will take you to your user dashboard. On the left-hand side of the page, you'll see a menu that includes the word Classified. When you click on it, the drop-down menu will give you the option to choose either Add Classified or Published Classified. Published Classified is where you'll find any classified listings you've already submitted and have been approved for. There, you can make changes or corrections to those listings. For today, we're going to focus on adding a new classified listing, so click Add Classified. A form will appear, asking for information like the title of your listing, your organization, if that's applicable. Your site may not have this function available, but if it does, you may want to consider interlinking your classified listing with a registered organization. If you don't have an organization to associate with your listing, you'll need to enter a city and state with your listing for filtering purposes. The Classified Contact Data section will be the information used if the public would like to contact you or your organization about your listing. Further down on the form, you'll see a section called Contact Info. This information will not be displayed publicly and is only used if the site administrator needs to contact you with questions or concerns regarding your listing. Every listing requires an expiration date, which decides when the listing should be removed from the site. It is not displayed publicly. This is different from the deadline date, which is displayed on your listing and has no effect on the duration of the listing on the site. Next, you'll find a box meant for a description of what the listing is about. Then category type. Don't worry if your listing fits into more than one category. Multiple category selections are available. Finally, photos. The primary image will be displayed with your listing title, but you can use the gallery to upload more images for your visitor to see once they click in to read your listing. If you see a field with an asterisk beside it, that means you must fill out that field in order for your submission to be considered for approval. Once you're finished filling out the initial form, click the Submit button at the bottom of the page. This will take you to a preview page for one final review of your information before submitting your listing for approval by the website's administrator. Once the listing is approved, you'll receive an email informing you that the listing has been published. If you need to make a correction or remove a listing, you can always sign back into your dashboard and review your published classified listings under Publish Classified. If you're having trouble, your site's administrator will be happy to assist you with any further questions you may have.